Hello everyone. Silent please. Stand free, take 2. Monster please. More atmosphere. We got it. Are you ready? Action.
I know well the strengths. I think that the 2021 livery is quite nice. It's similar to last year's, but still something changed. So it's the same but different, so I like it. My personal target for 2021 is to get better, improve myself as a rider, as a person, and as an athlete as well. So I know it's hard and I know it's difficult because last year we were quite fast and we made great races, great results. So we're gonna have to improve anyway. We're gonna have to try to improve anyway. So that's my aim for 2021. Well, there are many things that I like about this team. First of all, the people. It's great to work for a long period with a team, because you get to know better the person that are working inside it, and that's the main thing that I like. Of course, the professionality and the level that we are able to maintain is super high, but what I like the most is the people. This year I will share the pit box with Vale, and yeah, I expect a nice year, and I hope that it's going to be a nice year for both of us. I'm quite excited to jump on again my M1. Many things are uncertain this year, but I know that one thing is certain, that I'm gonna jump on my M1 sooner or later. We're gonna see when, and I hope it's going to be as soon as possible. During my training this winter, I just tried to improve some more things about my fitness, improve some more things about myself, about my riding. I've been trying to think about stuff to improve on track, and that's it. Just trying to get better year after year.
I'm very happy. For me, it's a new experience, and I cannot wait for the first test, for the championship start. Also the colors change, and I like a lot. I like a lot of the new livery of the bike, and also the helmet, my leather. So I think that we are ready. To be competitive, fight for win races, fight for the podiums, and also for a good position at the end of the season. We are all very focused, very concentrated for make better. I'm very proud to be a part of Petronas Yamaha Sepang racing team. Is a new challenge for me. It's a very young team, but in the last 2 years they are already very competitive. The bike will remain the same, my Yamaha M1, and will be funny, I think. I think that we are a very interesting couple of riders with Franco. We have a good relationship. We know each other very well, and we always train together. We always challenging together with all the different bikes. So this year we will do also with the MotoGP. I have a long career, and also a lot of seasons with the Yamaha M1 is my bike. I feel a Yamaha rider, and I cannot wait to work together with the Yamaha engineers and with all the team for try to improve the performance of the bike. For me, it is a long story with the factory team, because it's divided in two parts, but is more or less from 2004, so it's a life together. I don't expect a lot of difference, because the bike is the same, and we have the full support from the factory. But at the same time, it's a new team, new people in the garage, also new people, new mechanics for me, and it's a new experience. Like I said, is a very young team with a lot of motivation, so I will give my maximum for give my support at the end of the season.